Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to New Zest. Halloween is right around the corner, so it is time to make some pumpkin cookies. So let's get started. So there is quite a lot that you are going to need. This will all be in the description. So step number one is to soften this butter in the microwave. We're going to go about 6 seconds. Alright, so that is softened, and now we are going to put it into this bowl. So step number two is to mix in the 2 sugars slowly while you are beating the butter. So first I'm actually just going to beat the butter a little bit on low speed. So we're going to need a 1/2 cup of each. Let's start out with the cane sugar. I'm going to let this on my right, slowly pour it in with my left. Now let's do the brown sugar and mix. We're going to go medium speed now. So now we're going to add in our egg. Then on medium speed, we're going to mix in the egg. That should be good. Now we're going to mix in the flour, baking powder, and salt. So we need 3.5 cups of the flour. So let's go. Now we're going to mix it in first on low speed. Now that it's starting to mix in a little bit, now going to go to medium speed. Now we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of this. Alright, and then 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And just a little shake of salt. We're going to go straight to medium speed. And finally, we need the cream and the vanilla. So 2 tablespoons of the cream. One, 2, and then 2 teaspoons of the vanilla. Alright, so see the consistency of it? There's like these little chunks. That's what it should be like. If you don't have that, and if it's like really fine and almost like powdery, then add in really slowly, just a little bit of water until you get to this consistency. Alright, so now, make sure you have clean hands for this. Now, in the bowl, we're going to make one big ball. Now we have this, we'll split it into half. And we're going to put one on each of these saran wrap things. Roll it up. Then we're going to put these into the fridge. Chill them for probably about 15 minutes. In the meantime, we'll make the frosting.
So now, while we're waiting for the dough to chill, we're going to make the frosting. So you're going to need another bowl and some butter. So we are going to soften this now in the microwave for about 6 seconds. Cool. Now, let's take this out, put it entire bag of powdered sugar, which is 32 ounces or 2 pounds. All right, now we're gonna mix it on the low speed. So now we need to add just a couple splashes of this cream. All right, so your frosting should look about like this. Now we're gonna add in a splash of this vanilla and then the food coloring. Now if you do have orange food coloring, that's really helpful, but we don't right now, so we're gonna use the red and the yellow. That's perfect. That's exactly how I want it. So right now I'm going to preheat the oven at 350. Now we're going to get out the dough and roll it to start making pumpkin-shaped cookies. So now let's clean the counter really quick. Now we're going to sprinkle the counter with flour. So let's just take a little bit, just kind of sprinkle it. All right, so now you're gonna unwrap one of these balls, set it right on here. Then we're gonna roll it out. All right, now it's time to cut the dough. Cut the cheese. So now, just do exactly what we did on the other piece of dough to this one. All right, now we're gonna put these little pumpkins on the cookie sheet. All right, now we're gonna put this in the oven for 9 minutes, or until golden brown. Look at these. All right, now it's time to frost the cookies.
Oh man, this is awesome. Wow. Well, hopefully you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you guys next time.